In the meantime, psychologist Dr. Leakim Semaj is raising serious concerns about the impact of an extended period of online schooling on Jamaican students. With Jamaica experiencing a third surge of the pandemic, face-to-face school will not resume for the start of the new school year this week.
So when children are not going to school, not getting into that rhythm, some children will just not go back at all. Some of them will have started earning money to support their family. Some of them would totally disengage because of the frustration that they experience in this thing called online learning, which we shouldn't call it that. It was called emergency teaching response. Why? The teachers had absolutely no preparation.
Dr. Semaj says the average teacher does not have the qualities required for online learning.
What we need for that is a teacher who is a hybrid between a broadcaster and a master teacher. The average teacher doesn't have any of these traits. It's a total different persona you need to teach an online class than to stand in front of a classroom.
Dr. Semaj was speaking this afternoon on Radio Jamaica's weekly news review program. That's a wrap.